California's Central Valley is home to 1/6 of the irrigated farmlands located in the United States. It's also home to the largest and newest master jet base in the U.S. Navy, NAS Lemoore. Lemoore NAS hosts the U.S. Navy's entire West Coast fighter capability. Commissioned in 1961, it later became the West Coast site for the Navy's newest strike fighter, the F-18 Super Hornet. The pilot responsible for the famous 2004 USS Nimitz UFO sighting was operating from Lemoore on the day of the UFO sighting. Tracey and I have received sporadic reports from this area of strange noises and possible black projects operating out of the space. So Tracey and I are going to stake out the area, trying to listen for anything in the skies or observe any possible black projects. Almost immediately, we observed F-18 strike fighter activity in the skies above. And from our location, we noticed the base is undergoing renovations and expansions. But we're here to see black projects and listen for strange noises in the sky. But who can resist a quality air show? Oh my God. Look at these two.
I can't get him. My camera's dead.
Needing to get closer, Tracey and I moved to a different location. The spot we're on is private property, and we have permission, giving us close access to the base. The farmland in front of us is owned by the Navy. This spot gave us a much better view of the base, and what we're looking for is any type of UFO technology, alien technology, or secret black projects. Also, we're looking for anything that might cause strange noises in the skies above Lemoore. But so far, everything we're seeing seems to be pretty down to earth. Suddenly, we noticed an F-35 emerged and took off into the skies. It was soon joined by a partner aircraft.
Oh, it just landed straight down on that thing.
The other one's flying next to him, you see that? Oh, he took off.
Probably going, he's like, I can't land it.
It was at this moment we finally captured a strange noise in the air. We've definitely found the source for the strange sounds being heard over Lemoore. This Navy F-35 makes a wickedly strange noise, and if you heard this at night, it'd be even more creepy. From the UFO reports we received, we were hoping to catch something radical making noises above Lemoore. But ironically, the reports coincided with the time frame when the F-35 was added as a squadron at Lemoore NAS.
How are you guys?
Good, how are you?
I'm just reading this thing. That's cool.
Yeah.
What are you guys looking for?
Maybe if there was like a black project.
I've never seen anything weird.
Yeah.
Or like drones or anything like that.
No. Seems plain crap.
Yeah.
We have seen, the only thing we've seen around here that I've seen is a plane. I wasn't sure if it started to come out from runway and it just over and went down. And it didn't catch up fire. And it didn't get more than probably 30 feet off the ground. Nothing in the paper, nothing on the news, nothing. Wow. Zero. So I've wondered about that.
All directions, and they would not let any of us come with. I mean, you couldn't go past here. You know, it's almost a mile away. It doesn't matter. You're not getting in there.
They had two guys in there. They each had a rifle and a 45.
It was like 100 degrees that day, and I mean, it's been a long time ago when they were first developing one of the stealth planes. Remember it crashed in Avenel? We're out in Avenel Hills.
Really?
And there, like, some ranchers were the first ones there, and they're like, never seen, first responses. That's a UFO. They've never seen anything like a stealth.
Yeah.
And then all of a sudden, the military's there, get the hell out of here, and all that. But
Holding still in our position until the night, Tracey and I were hoping to catch a glimpse of something secret or maybe some type of UFO technology. We were hoping one of the open hangar doors might expose some secret black project or some type of UFO technology. But as we can see, it's just regular manned aircraft inside the hangars. It was at this moment we heard a strange noise coming from the F-35 line. Our camera seems to capture some type of flames coming from one of the F-35s. It seems they're doing some kind of test, and we can even see someone walking away with a dolly in the background. After talking to locals and visiting the site firsthand, Tracey and I are confident in saying there's no secret black projects hidden here. It's just regular military activity. But don't be surprised if you hear strange noises coming from the skies above. Thanks for watching our video. Show your support by subscribing to our channel. Click that button right there. And if you want to become a patron and donate money to UFO Seekers, click that button right there. If you want to watch another one of our videos, YouTube says watch that one right there. And if you want to learn more about us, visit UFOseekers.com.